There are two filters inside your LifeStraw Home Studio dispenser. The first is the activated carbon and ion exchange filter, and the second is the membrane microfilter. The activated carbon filter lasts for 40 gallons or 150 liters and should be changed every 2 months. The membrane microfilter lasts for 264 gallons or about 1,000 liters and should be changed every year. This filter removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from your water. All LifeStraw home products utilize the same filters and they can be found on LifeStraw.com. First, I'm going to walk you through how to replace your carbon filter. You can start by removing the lid, placing your hands around the dispenser body and using your thumbs to lift the filter housing. Then you can twist the bottom cap off and remove the carbon filter and discard it. Then you're going to want to unwrap the new carbon filter from its packaging and rinse it underwater for 1 minute. Then just place your new carbon filter back into place. Just the bottom cap on. And place the filter housing into the dispenser body. When it's time to replace your membrane microfilter, follow these steps. Remove the lid. Remove the filter housing from the dispenser body. Twist the bottom cap off. If it's time to change your membrane microfilter, it's likely time to replace your carbon filter as well. So you can just discard this. To remove the membrane microfilter, you're going to want to reach inside and push through. Discard this. Then remove your new filters from packaging. We recommend keeping them in packaging until it's time to use them. Grab your new filter and push it through the filter housing until it's firmly in place. Then grab your carbon filter, remove it from its packaging, and rinse it underwater for 1 minute. And then place it onto the filter. Now that your new filters are installed, you can twist the bottom cap back on and place the filter housing onto the dispenser body, and you're ready to resume use. For more information, check out our support pages on our website where you can find FAQs, helpful resources, and more how-to videos. You can also email info@lifestraw.com if you have additional questions or need help.